Why do 90% of adventure seekers dream of seeing this Earth? Witness the raw power of Iceland's most explosive volcano. Feel the ground shake as molten lava bursts through the Earth's crust, painting the sky with fiery reds and glowing oranges. This isn't just a sight, it's an experience. Every eruption is a reminder of nature's untamed might. Did you know this volcano has erupted over 30 times in the past century? Imagine standing at the edge, feeling the heat and hearing the rumble. Dare to get close at home. From steaming craters to roaring lava flows, this is Mother Nature at her most intense. Would you dare visit this place? Comment below.